Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Swati Official. My name is Swati. So today we will start from a new story that's named Love Nature. That's very interesting story. So let's be carefully listen. The earth is home to all of us. Plants, animals, birds and everything alive. We call the earth Mother Earth because she looks after us and gives us all that we need to live and grow: air, water, sunshine, food, and shelter. Everything in nature follows a pattern. Day follows night, seasons follows one another, allowing us to show seeds, then plant seedlings, and finally harvest them. When we follow nature's pattern, we respect it. When we disturb its patterns by cutting down trees or by drying up the rivers and lakes to build huge buildings, everyone suffers, including animals, birds, and trees. Just as we respect our parents and elders, we must also respect Mother Earth. Thank you.